Today the class will be going on regarding what C4 pathway. C4 pathway is also known as Hatch-Slag pathway. Why C4 pathway is also known as Hatch-Slag pathway means this pathway is discovered by regarding what a Hatch-Slag. In general, the whole green plants fix the carbon dioxide through regarding what C3 pathway. These are old terms, but nowadays some of the green plants fix the carbon dioxide to other mechanism. That mechanism who are discovered is commonly called as Hatch-Slag. That's why it's commonly called as C4 pathway is also known as regarding what Hatch and Slag pathway. Okay. Why the name is given regarding what C4? Yes. On the leaves of regarding what sugar cane, but the exposure of regarding what C14 carbon compound, after exposure of C14 carbon compound in the leaves of regarding sugar cane, they can be grease produce. The first product is commonly called as what? Oxaloacetic acid. This is a C4 carbon compound. That's why Hatch-Slag pathway is also called regarding what C4 pathway. Okay. In general, C3 pathway photosynthesis occurs in mesophyll cells alone. But in C4 pathway, photosynthesis occur both mesophyll cell as well as bundle sheath cell. That's why C4 plants are commonly called as dimorphic chloroplast. So di is a 2 because it can be possess two different kinds of regarding what the photosynthetic mechanisms present it, namely called as chloroplast with grana is occurring mesophyll cell. Chloroplast without grana is a bundle sheath cell. Due to presence of two different kinds of cells are occurring in C4 plants, the light reaction, dark reaction that can be segregated. Who's to be carried out regarding what light reaction means? Mesophyll cells regarding carried out regarding what light reaction? Bundle sheath cells are occur as well as light reaction as well as regarding what dark reaction. So in the presence of two different kinds of photosynthetic cells it's occur, the cell, the work can be regarding what segregated. But the kinds of segregation is not occur regarding what C3 plants are also called C3 pathway. Because light action, dark action, both are occur in the regarding what mesophyll cells alone. But C4 pathway, light action occur in the mesophyll cell, dark actions occur regarding what mesophyll along with regarding what bundle sheath cells. Okay. In C4 pathway, there are two carboxylation takes place. The first carboxylation takes place in regarding what mesophyll cell. The second carboxylation takes place during regarding where bundle sheath cell. This reaction I will be going to through regarding what schematic representation. For the cycle, for schematic representation, this is a air, this is a mesophyll cell. This is bundle sheath cell. The last one common column is vascular tissue. For carry out the process to be involving mesophyll cell, bundle sheath cell as well as regarding what vascular tissue. Yes. For the process to be carried here, atmospheric carbon dioxide enter in the mesophyll cell. After entering of carbon dioxide from atmosphere to regarding mesophyll cell, the carbon dioxide is accept phosphoenol pyruvate. What is the meaning of PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvate or pyruvic acid. So when carbon dioxide from atmosphere enter into regarding what mesophyll cell, after entering the carbon dioxide is accept or pick up, whose the commonly called as PEP. What is the meaning of PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Is a generally PEP is regarding what a 3 carbon compound. So 3 carbon compound plus 1 carbon compound. So totally regarding what to 4 carbon compound. So in C3 pathway, carbon dioxide acceptor is regarding what RUBB. After accepting, that can be produced regarding what the 3 carbon compound is commonly called as phosphoglyceric acid. But here, the atmospheric carbon dioxide enter into the mesophyll cell. The carbon dioxide fixed PEP that can be producing the first stable product is commonly called as OAA. What is the meaning of OAA? OAA means commonly called as oxaloacetic acid. So oxaloacetic acid is commonly called as a 4 carbon compound. So this is commonly called as first stable product. In C4 pathway. That four carbon compounds of oxaloacetic acid is converted into aspartic acid. This is also regarding what the 4 carbon compound. which enzymatic help is commonly called as transaminase. With the help of ammonia. So, oxaloacetic acid converted into aspartic acid with the help of enzyme transaminase through ammonia. Likewise, oxaloacetic acid regarding what? Reduced into malic acid, or also known as malate. These also regarding what? The 4-carbon compound. So the end product of regarding what? A malic acid or malate from mesophyll cell, it is diffused, enter into regarding what? Bundles itself. Sorry, sir. So the malic acid from mesophyll cell diffused enter into regarding what? Bundles itself. Our malic acid is regarding what? 4-carbon. When the malic acid entered to regarding what? Mesophyll cell from regarding what? Bundles cell, malic acid is dephosphorylated. That's the called removal of carbon dioxide from 4-carbon compound. So from 4-carbon compound, 1 carbon is missing. So remaining 3-carbon compound, that is commonly called as pyruvic acid. Is right. Then, so malate or malic acid from mesophyll cell diffused into regarding what? The bundles itself is a dephosphorylated. The dephosphorylated carbon dioxide, it is entered to regarding what? Galvin cycle. What is that product of Galvin cycle? What is the acceptor of Galvin cycle? That is commonly called as RUBB. This is commonly called as 5-carbon compound. That dark reaction are also called Galvin cycle. Pick up decarboxylated. So decarboxylated carbon which can be accepted regarding what? RUBB. So this is a 5-carbon compound, this is a 1-carbon compound, total regarding what? 6-carbon compound. After accepting decarboxylated carbon dioxide RUBB, resulting the production of end product is commonly called as 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. That 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid is entered to regarding what? Vascular bundle. You know what is the end product of regarding dark reaction? Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This is a 3-carbon compound. One more dark reaction, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This also regarding what? 3-carbon compound. So totally 6-carbon compound is forming. When it can be formed regarding what? 6-carbon compound, that is responsible to produce regarding what? The glucose or sucrose. So this will be going on to be here. So okay, glucose or sucrose or starch. So next, from bundles itself, malate or malic acid is dephosphorylated at the end which can be produced regarding what? Starch and glucose is forming. The remaining compound is commonly regarding what? Pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid from bundles itself diffused enter into regarding what? Mesophyll cell. It's a 3-carbon compound. From bundles itself, pyruvic acid diffused enter to regarding what? Mesophyll cell. After entering, the pyruvic acid is phosphorylated. What is called phosphorylated? Pyruvic acid pick up one phosphate from regarding what? ATP. What is called ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. From adenosine triphosphate, one phosphate is picked up by pyruvic acid. Again, regenerated into regarding what PEP. With the help of enzyme, PEP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase. This is the C4 pathway schematic representation described by Hatch and Slab. I am already indicating to you. Here happened regarding two places happened regarding what carboxylation. First carboxylation takes place in mesophyll cell. Second carboxylation takes place in regarding what bundle cell. Okay, yeah. You see, photosynthetically more efficient than regarding what C3. Why mean? To fix 1 molecules of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, the requirement of ATP is very low compared to C3 pathway. What do you mean like this here? C4 plants are photosynthetically more efficient than C3 because to fix 1 molecules of carbon dioxide, the requirement of ATP and NADPH2, it is very lower in C3 plants compared regarding what to C4 pathway. What is difference between C3 pathway from C4 pathway? The first difference is commonly called as, in C3 pathway, photosynthesis occurs only in mesophyll cell. C4 plants, photosynthesis occur both mesophyll cell as well as bundle cell. This is the first differentiation of C3 pathway and C3 pathway. The second one, which is nothing but carbon dioxide acceptor. In C3 pathway, carbon dioxide acceptor is commonly called as RUBB. What is the definitions of RUBB? Ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. This is the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule. In C4 pathway, who are responsible for carbon dioxide acceptor is commonly called as PEP. What is PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvic acid. The third one difference is called the first stable product of C3 pathway is commonly called as phosphoglyceric acid. So what is called PGA? Phosphoglyceric acid. Here, the first stable product is commonly called as oxaloacetic acid. This is a 4 carbon compound. This is a 3 carbon compound. This is a third differentiation. Fourth one differentiation, photorespiration. Rate is high. But in C4 pathway, photorespiration is negligible or it may be absent. The fifth one difference is commonly called as, for C3 plants, it will be activate means it's required for optimum temperature. That is 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. But in C4 pathway, the plants are activate mean it's required the optimum temperature is 32 regarding what? 45 degrees Celsius. What is that? Examples of regarding what to C3 pathway. Rice, wheat and potato. These are the examples of regarding what to C3 pathway. What are examples of regarding what C4 pathway is called? Tribulus, Amaranthus, then maize, then sugar cane. These are the examples of commonly called as what? C4 pathway. These are the examples of commonly what? C3 pathway. Pathway is commonly called as CAM pathway. What is the meaning of CAM is called? Crassulacean or crassulaceous acid metabolism. Crassulaceous acid metabolic pathway, what commonly called as CAM pathway. Yeah. This pathway is commonly called as, is a highly peculiar. Why is highly peculiar mean? Within a plant happen C3 cycle as well as regarding what is C4 cycle. This is a peculiar one. Okay. The CAM pathway or crassulacean acid metabolism pathway is generally occurring certain xenobiotic species like cactus and opensia. Is not only occur regarding the cactus and opensia. These kinds of metabolism is also occur some members of Euphorbiaceae family. And some members of Crassulaceous family. These kinds of metabolic pathway it's are generally occur in xeric species. What even called xerics means the plants are live in extreme dry condition. The next we call, what is the characteristic features? What is the characteristic features of regarding water CAM cycle? The first characteristic is commonly called as change the timing of opening and the closing of stomata. change the time of opening and closing of stomata. Second thing, in generally all kinds of these C3 plants or C4 plants, the stomata will be opening during daytime. The stomata will be closing during nighttime. But camp plants is a highly peculiar because these kinds of plants, the stomata will be opening during night. Then the stomata will be closing during daytime. Why that during daytime the stomata will be closing mean? Because the plant is regarding what is xeric plants or xeropedic species. Xeropedic plants are generally which present regarding what? Dry condition. So there water scarcity is available. In order to overcome the deficiency of water, the plants can be survived. That's why the kinds of plant, the stomata will be opening during night, the stomata will be closing during regarding what daytime. Okay? Yes. Now we go to regarding what? The operations of regarding what opening and the closing of stomata. And by the way, what are the characteristic features that can be discussed? What are the peculiarities commonly called as? Usually normal plants are opening during daytime, closing during night. But the camp plants are, it's opening during night time, closing during daytime. In order to avoid over transpiration or in order to prevent the excess amount of regarding water. Such kinds of regarding stomata is commonly called as scotoactive stomata. This online, it's a very good compound like this. Scotoactive stomata. Because this is a peculiar stomata is occur. These kinds of stomata is occur, camp plant or examples are commonly called as xeric species. Okay. How it can be operated? During night, how the camp plants are regarding what to activate? First of all, this is the epidermis. So what is epidermis? That being called the outermost layer of regarding what? Leaf. That leaf it must be possess stomata. What type of stomata is scotoactive stomata? It is also called Sanger stomata. What do you mean called Sanger stomata means? The stomata to be regarding what? Overhanging. Overhanged opening is present mean that type of stomata is called the Sanger stomata. Sanger stomata is normally available only in xeropedic species. Okay, yeah. So during the regarding what night time, the stomata will be opening. If the stomata will be opening mean what are the process will be going on is commonly called as transpiration as well as gaseous exchanges are takes place. When the stomata will be opening, what are the process will be going on? Transpiration as well as regarding what the gaseous exchange takes place. Okay. So the atmospheric carbon dioxide enter into regarding what the stomata. Enter carbon dioxide pick up PEP. That is the Parkinson. carbonic acid or enter carbon dioxide, pick up PEP. What is called PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvic or pyruvic acid. After entering carbon dioxide, pick up regarding what the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. It is converted into regarding what the OAA. What is the OAA? Oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid became converted to is produced regarding what? Malic acid, or also known as malate. For the conversion of oxaloacetic acid regarding what? Malic acid, NADPH2 is reduced into NADP plus. That energy is regarding what? Utilizable during daytime. So utilizing end product of regarding what? Light reaction, NADPH2 is reduced into NADP plus. It's the form regarding what? Malic acid, or also called regarding what? Malate. After formations of malic or malate means the malate, it is stored in vacuoles. So what is the specialties happen means? Here no light reaction. That is a specialty of regarding what? Scotoactive stomata, or during regarding what daytime, the stomata will be opening. What is the end product forming? Malate. The malate, it can be stored in the vacuoles. Then during daytime, there is this epidermis. Stomata will be closed. The stomata will be closed. If it is closed means atmospheric carbon dioxide, it's never entered into regarding what? Bundles itself. So there is no possibility to enter because of the stomata will be regarding what? The closed. So what happens here? Already in vacuole, malate is regarding what? Stored. Stored vacuole from, stored malate or malic acid from vacuole, diffuse, is came out. After diffuse from regarding vacuole, the malate is converted into regarding what? PEP. What is the PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvic acid. The malate is converted regarding what? PEP. For the time, NADP plus reduced into NADPH2. This NADPH is commonly called as generated or generated NADPH2. But this NADP is commonly called as what? Utilized NADPH2. For generated NADPH2 from malate to regarding what? PEP, that time one carbon dioxide is released. This is commonly called as decarboxylation. That carboxylation entered regarding what? Galvin cycle. You know, already tell about you. What is the acceptor regarding what the Galvin cycle called? RUBB. These are 5 carbon compound. These are 1 carbon compound. Totally 6 carbon compound. These are cleared into 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound is commonly called as phosphoglyceric acid. So Galvin cycle, it's generated to regarding what? ATP as well as NADPH2. So that's why during daytime the Galvin cycle, which is a carry out both cyclic photophosphorylation as well as non-cyclic photophosphorylation. This is the peculiar metabolic pathway is occur some Crassulaceous family, some Euphorbiaceae family, some xeric species, especially regarding what succulent xerophytes like Opuntia and Cactus.